Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you the map component in DigiTiles. We'll look at how to add a map to a page of your online store. This can be useful for creating a block on the page to show the address of your physical store, your main office, or for any other purpose. Let's get started. In my case, I want to create a tile with contact details and a map and place this tile on the home page of my online store. I plan to add the map to the left side of the contact information block. To do this, I'll find the map component on the right-hand panel and drag it onto the grid. Then I'll resize the component frame as needed. Now, let's look at the settings on the right-hand panel. Here, you can see a simple search field where you can find any address. For example, I'll enter the address of our office so you can see how it works. You can see the marker on the map now, but it's not very clear where it's located. We need to zoom in a little to get a better view of the surrounding area. If you scroll down, you'll find a zoom slider. This allows you to zoom in or out on the map. Let's adjust it to the right level for our situation. Now it looks much clearer, so let's leave it like this. There are also settings to set a specific latitude and longitude. This means you can pick any point on Google Maps and copy these values. Let's try it. I'll open Google Maps and select a random point in the mountains. At the bottom, you'll see the latitude and longitude values. First, I'll copy the latitude and paste it into the field in DigiTiles. Then I'll copy the longitude and paste it into the editor. Now I've got the exact point I selected. I'll adjust the zoom a little and everything is ready. Let's switch to mobile view to see how this looks on a phone. Here, I'll make a few adjustments and move the map slightly. Now it looks great on mobile as well. The final step is to save this tile so the block appears at the bottom of the home page. To do this, I'll go into the tile settings, choose homepage bottom in the widget zones, double-check the other settings, and click Save. Then I'll refresh the homepage of this demo site, and as you can see, the block with the map appears at the bottom of the page. I hope this video was helpful for you, and we'd be happy to tell you more about our tool in combination with NOP Commerce. Feel free to contact us for more details. Our team will be glad to answer your questions. See you in the next video.